Some of the challenges to the habitat here in Tillamook County are that a lot of it has been lost. This was all historically a floodplain, and that has all been transformed into agricultural fields. We have to build back up. The foundation of that is native plants. Here at the nursery, we are propagating native plant material for restoration. We push about 50,000 plants a year to restoration projects that span the whole northwest region of Oregon. This is a type of prairie grass that's non-native. If you don't get the taproot out, it comes right back. We are currently the largest native plant nursery on the coast. This plant is about 4 years old. It's going out the door this winter. These germinated probably in May, and this time next year they'll be ready to go out into a restoration project. The Northwest Oregon Restoration Partnership is made up of about 30 to 40 different partners any given year, and about 20 to 26 of them put in plant request orders on a yearly basis. These partners would not be able to do the work that they get done on the ground without us. All of the nursery operations here have to be accomplished by a very small incarcerated work crew. That means that there's a lot of stuff that we need help with. We have been able to cultivate really strong citizen support from volunteers that care about their landscape and their beautiful Northwest Oregon home. And it creates a wonderful team. So those are the seed wings. So they're not connected to the seed because I think the seed is buried within, but I'm sure that if we collect enough and allow the cones to open naturally instead of trying to pry them out, I'm going to get some seed out of that. This partnership was actually founded to service the need to rehabilitate salmon habitat. With our restoration work, we are also creating more diversity for those insects and birds and predators to come back into the environment. The challenge with working for an environmental nonprofit such as TEP, whose mission is to protect and restore and enhance the estuaries, is to find the balance and collaborate with the community so that we can all enjoy the ecosystem services and functions that all brings.